Are you curious what holistic health is? Or maybe you slightly know what it means, but you don't know the details? Then this will be a great introductory video for you, so keep watching. Alright, so in this video, we're going to give a basic, brief overview of what is holistic health. I see this question asked a lot, and this is the main thing that I teach is holistic health and wellness. So it's kind of obvious to me, but I haven't really realized to the extent that there's so many people that still don't understand what it means. So this video is meant to give a quick introduction, and really what it's all about is the body, mind, and the soul. So we are made up of a body, a physical body, a mind, a mental and emotional subtle body, and then a soul, which is basically what we are before and after we die. So of course that's going to vary depending on, nobody can prove anything really right now, but it will depend on your views. If you have strong religious views, you might clash with that a little bit, but holistic means whole, and so the whole person means everything about them. And you can't really deny that you have a soul because it's something that you can't touch. It's just something that you know inside. It's just the you that makes you you. So that's what the soul is. And a lot of times when you hear people talk about holistic health, they always talk about the body-mind connection, and that's amazing because the body and the mind are connected, but I think that the soul is equally part of those, and they should be all treated equally. And so spiritual matters are very important to talk about because they're not talked about enough. And I tend to fill in the gaps where other holistic teachers don't really talk about spiritual stuff as much. They talk mostly about, like I said, the body-mind connection. But I think we also have a body-soul connection, a mind-soul connection. So spirituality can entail so many things of basically metaphysical aspects of you, that things you can't touch, things you can't prove, things that you just know on the inside. They cover a lot of things that are considered new agey, like the chakras and manifestation and sorts of things that pertain to the bigger picture of the universe and how we fit in with that universe. So I really do firmly believe that there's so much more to us than just our body and our mind. So if that's something that you agree with, you're definitely in the right place. So I like to think of it as a tree. Holistic health is made up of a whole system. The foundation is your lifestyle. It's, how you live your life. And of course, like I said, those things need to be equal, your body, mind, and soul. And that is what helps form the foundation of your tree, to put it in simple terms. Like, let's say that you are a tree. Your body, your physical body, has connections to nature because we are part of nature, and that's what the trunk of the tree would be. And then all the other parts of the tree, like the branches and the leaves, would be all of the expressions that you express of who you are. All the aspects of your mind and your emotions, experiencing all of the emotions that comes along with being a human, balancing out all of these aspects. So that's why I like to have the tree image, and that's a really good metaphor for holistic health. So holistic health covers a lot of subjects, and that might seem overwhelming because there's really, if you look at it in all three of the areas, your body, there's exercise, there's, keeping your body healthy, there's digestion, there's nutrition and sleep and water and sunshine and physical healing and vitality and all of those things. But then there's also, since we are whole beings, there's also the mental emotional part about it, which would be, like I said, the emotions and mental health. Like it's all connected. Your body is connected to your mind in so many profound ways that you can actually affect your body with just your mind, and for good and for bad too. So there's so many things. There's like a lot. It's a lot of information, and I love researching this information. This is my passion. So I love to guide people on ways that they can improve their physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. And that's what I'm all about here at Holistic Lifestyle Guide. So wellness is another word that is often used when people talk about holistic health. I actually prefer the term holistic wellness because I think wellness is one of those things that it encompasses everything. When you think of the word health, you usually think of your body. So I like to talk about wellness in all areas. And I've got another video about that, which I can share about holistic wellness in particular and why it's called that. So when you think of a lifestyle built of healthy habits, that is what creates wellness. Wellness is the state that you're in that brings you optimal health in all the areas that I mentioned, body, mind, and soul. So basically, if I could sum up holistic health and wellness in a sentence, it would be healthy habits that create your life. Healthy habits that help you to, I guess I'm going more than just one sentence here, but it's all about healthy habits because you are what you repeatedly do. So if you can implement the healthy habits for your body, mind, and soul, then you will achieve holistic wellness. So if all of this sounds really good to you and you would like to learn more, I've got a multitude of resources for you. You can check those out down in the description, but I want to call your attention to this episode here of my podcast where I went in depth about holistic health. I talked about all the fundamentals. So that's a great video to watch if you're really interested in learning more. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and you will learn more and more about holistic health. And I will see you in the next video.